Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make images move in your videos in just a few minutes. Just stick around and subscribe to support me to reach 1k subscribers, and like this video as well. To make image move in your videos, just open your CapCut, click on new project. Now you are in a CapCut. To import the image that you are going to be working on, click on import here. Then I'll highlight these two images that I downloaded from online, and I click on open. It will import the two images. Now I will put the two images on my timeline here. Now I have placed them on the timeline, so I will separate image because I'm going to work on this one and work on this one too. To make this image move, I will place this line at the place I want this image to start moving. So I will place this here, and I'll come to scale. I will add keyframe here. Come to position, I will add keyframe here. As you can see here, the x-axis is 0, then y is 0, then scale is 100%. So I'll place this line in another place. I'll drag it and place it here, and come here, increase this scale to 200, then come to position, add the position again. And as you can see, if I'm drawing this line here, you see that the image is moving. But that is how to make image move on a CapCut. You can call this in zoom in or zoom out on a CapCut. I will show you another way to make image move. So I'll use this image here. I'll highlight the image, place this line in any place I want the image to start moving. Then I'll come here, I'll add keyframe on scale, then to add keyframe on position too. And I will move this line to where I want it to stop. And I'll minimize, I will reduce this size to this, and I'll put it on at this corner here. Then as you can see, the image is moving. As you can see, the image is moving. This is how to make image move in a video. This is how to make image move in a video, or to zoom an image, zoom in or zoom out an image using CapCut editing tools. And if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and support me to reach 1k subscribers. Thank you.